Hi, my name is Sarah, and today we're going to be making the best quiche Lorraine. This recipe was written by Taste of Home's senior food stylist, Shannon Norris. It's rich, filling, the perfect weekend brunch or breakfast. This quiche Lorraine uses a pre-made crust, but you can definitely do a homemade one if you prefer. I really like to use a store-bought crust because it saves a lot of time in the morning. We also use a springform pan, and what this does is give the quiche a nice deep dish effect. It also makes it very easy to remove the quiche after baking. Let's talk bacon. You cannot have a quiche Lorraine without bacon, and this recipe has plenty of it. We like to chop our bacon beforehand so that you get even cooking in the pan. You want to make sure you get that bacon nice and crisp so that it holds up while being baked in the egg mixture. It takes a bit of time, but caramelized onions make a huge difference in this recipe. They're buttery, sweet, and they add depth of flavor. Cooking them in the leftover bacon grease adds savoriness as well. Pepper and thyme, ingredients that you always find in a quiche. This one has a secret ingredient, however. Can you guess it? It's nutmeg. Nutmeg actually adds a little bit of warmth and enhances your cheese and cream, so you do not want to skip it. One of my favorite parts about this quiche is the cheeses. We use two different kinds of cheese, Gruyere and Parmesan. The Gruyere is really creamy and it melts nicely in this baked quiche, while the Parmesan adds a salty, nutty flavor and balances out the Gruyere really nicely. The quiche filling is basically a savory custard. We use room temperature eggs because they combine with the other ingredients better and they rise better than cold eggs do. Mixing milk and heavy whipping cream really adds a nice richness. You want to put your solids into your crust first. Take your onions, bacon, cheese, spices, layer that into the crust, then pour in your egg and cream mixture. This ensures that the ingredients will be distributed evenly throughout the quiche. This really is the best quiche Lorraine. We're adding flavor in every step, from caramelizing the onions to ensuring each piece of bacon gets perfectly crisp and using our secret ingredient of nutmeg. I recommend serving this with a crisp salad and a fresh glass of orange juice. It's the perfect way to impress your guests for a weekend brunch or breakfast.